guys, it's Mardi Gras, and I'm here to show you how to let the good times roll with this festive theme candle. Complete with a fun and floral French Quarter fragrance, this candle features all of the signature colors of the holiday and make for a great gift. Keep watching to learn how to make it. Start by prepping your container of choice. This how-to works best with round container candles with enough volume to properly show off all the colors. Our containers are about 14 ounces each. Adhere the wick to the center of your container using a wick sticker tab or hot glue. For this project, you'll need a way to prop the candle containers up diagonally so you can pour the wax at an angle. With our container prepped and ready to go, we can get to melting our wax. I've measured out about 3 ounces of my wax and placed it in my pouring pot. The double boiler is on and ready to go, so I'm just going to go ahead and place the pouring pot in and allow the wax to melt. Once the wax is completely liquid, remove it from the double boiler and check the temperature. We want it to be about 185 degrees so we can add our fragrance. Today, I'm using our French Quarter scent, which is the perfect themed fragrance for our festive candle. When you reach the target temp, add in about 0.24 ounces or a third of the fragrance oil. Stir the fragrance oil in gently but thoroughly for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then follow it up with the first color, purple. You only need a couple drops because this is a super vibrant liquid candle dye. Stir it in well and check the temperature again. Now that my wax is cooled enough, I'm going to go ahead and carefully pour it into our angled container. With our wax poured, we need to let it cool so we can add our next layer. Try not to speed up this process by putting it into the fridge or freezer. This can lead to sinkholes around the wick. When the first layer of wax has completely solidified, we can repeat the previous steps with our green candle dye instead of purple. Oh, and don't forget to add your fragrance. When the wax is ready to be poured, rotate the candle so the purple part is now on top. Now add the green wax. It should create a layered angle effect. Just like last time, we need to let the green wax cool to completion, and then we can move on to our final steps. The last color we'll be using is a beautiful golden yellow. This time we've melted down 6 ounces of wax instead of 3. For this final step, the candle can be set flat on your work surface. Melt down the last of your wax, add the fragrance and color, and pour it in the last layer. For an extra fun pop of Mardi Gras flair, sprinkle some gold mica powder on the top of the yellow wax as it cools. Be sure to let it cure for up to a week to allow the fragrance molecules to fully settle into the wax for the best possible hot and cold throw. It costs us about $3 to create this 14-ounce candle, meaning it can be sold wholesale $4 to $6 or retail $8 to $16 depending on the fragrance and additives you use. Make sure you check out all of our other how-tos that we've posted over on our channel in our project playlist for more fun candle ideas. From all of us here at AFI, we hope you have a fun and safe Mardi Gras. Let the good times roll by leaving a like on this video and subscribing to our channel so you can stay up to date on all of our new videos. I'm Caitlin, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.